Okay. 3-player. 2-player, please.
Yes.
3-player.
Oh, you stole my fucking thing.
Okay.
Right, hello everyone, welcome to Retro Punk Gaming. Today it is Favourite Friday and we are playing a Tracker and the Field. It is Pete, Anna and me,
Hello.
Matt, obviously here. We're putting in our names, but... Oh, damn!
Who and Fee?
But it kind of like cancels you out from doing it like really quickly,
Wait,
so you can never put your actual name in there. Yeah, yes, you, yeah.
Me.
So everyone's played Track and Field before, and the loser gets punched in the face.
Oh no!
Oh, come on! Get it together, Pete.
I got a
I
red.
don't. Where do we know when to go? Who's the
When he
When the-
fires the gun,
she?
she
Right.
fires the
No.
gun. Oh, what are you doing? Have you never played this before?
No.
Oh, for Christ's sake, where are you
Just
people?
wait.
Just wait till the timer goes.
Just wait
Where's
until
the
the gun
timer?
goes off. Go, 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 peg it, run. Come on, bash those buttons. You got a really poor technique.
I'm so sweaty. I can't do it.
This is the most amount of exercise Anna's done in like.
Come on,
Yeah.
Anna! If you don't beat,
I'm pressing it. It's not
if
going.
you don't beat 16 seconds, then you're done for.
It's not going.
Come on,
It's
go,
not,
go.
It's not going.
Go.
Oh.
I don't think you qualified. No, which means you're already over.
First event, Anna is out. Right, I'll show you how this is fucking done.
My controller didn't.
Yeah, we control
work.
that. Bad workman, tools, all that.
Oh.
Yeah, you drink your beer.
Tesco lager.
Look at this. See, I got the Track and Field motion down. Oh, yeah, come on, super sprinter.
My God.
I am getting achievements like nothing else
So
over here.
sturdy thighs.
Those table-like thighs for us to controller on.
Right, ready? Long jump.
Long jump. Who's us? Is Pete up for the long jump?
I'm really upset that I'm never gonna
Yeah.
get to play this game.
Don't worry, maybe next round you'll be able to do it.
Okay.
This is just a qualify.
Oh,
None of us actually
but-
got. There's a beautiful jump.
That was pathetic.
I love that little guy.
I wonder
Little
if I-
eyes. You can do that as well. Yeah, there's an alternate on here. You can do the stick waggle.
Yeah, I'll do the stick
The
waggle.
Oh, what?
waggle stick.
You can do waggle
You
stick.
do waggle. Will waggle stick be easy for you?
Yes.
We'll give it a go.
The thing is,
but
then you got to try and press A somehow.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna
Oh,
keep.
you ready, Pete? Oh, was that me? Was it? Oh shit! I didn't do my jump. That's good. That's good. It's a bit slow.
I don't think it's
It's
too
that
slow.
one.
There's
Oh
no way gonna be.
no! It didn't quite make 6 meters.
She is definitely a lesbian.
Do you think it's a she? Oh wait, yeah,
Well,
it's a
the fact-
she.
She's got tits.
What, the one with the flag?
Yeah.
Yeah, I reckon so. Okay, I'm actually going to jump this time. Oh, see? See, look at this. Majestic. Beautiful jump.
No.
Oh, I'm just... Look at that. Beady Eye Man's got to walk miles to get to me. See? You guys... You do one, well, half an event and then just have an
Come on, at least make 6.
Oh, Pete, you've done it. Yes, nice one.
Qualified.
See, it's always confused me because the perspective on there is like doesn't look right.
No.
Oh, that was terrible. I'd still go over 6. Oh, right. Yes, we've both qualified at least for the next round.
Yay.
I'm so pleased. Yeah, I know, you failed miserably. Oh, it's me, Fee. My name's Fee now.
Thanks, Fee.
My name's Fee. Right, javelin time. Same idea, Pete. That is a good. Oh, a little bit up in the air. What's the qualifying? 65.
65. No.
Oh, it's coming right down
I can't go any higher than 60 then, I don't think.
You can. Yeah, it's fine. No. What is the 45 degrees? I think is the best you can do. Ah, 44. Useless. Come on.
You made it.
Ah, yes, I got qualified. Come on, Pete, you can do it. Come on. Qualify for next round.
Oh, no.
You overran.
If,
You can't get past the first round.
I'm gonna be a heckler now.
You're good.
I didn't even make...
You can be
Fucking
background
nice.
audience. Yeah, nice throw. You could be the beer spinning guy in the background giving advice.
Psych.
Come on. I don't want to get excited. I'm qualified already, so.
Did people used to shout like spank when you were doing sports in your school?
No.
No. Oh. When you're about to score a goal, like, spank. Like psych.
You came from a poor area, didn't you?
Come on, at least make
Thanks.
65. Oh, I didn't even make it.
Did you not?
No, I
Oh,
didn't qualify.
Pete. Oh,
Game over.
God.
Bye byes.
Why am I the only person who can play this game? It's not hard. It's like 3 buttons.
Spank.
It's 3 buttons.
You've had more practice.
I had like one little bit before we started.
That's more than me and Anna.
Fine, well, we'll do this again.
No,
and then,
you just keep going.
well,
Done
I won't be able to do the next one anyway, so we can try and do it again for the next one because it's the hurdles, and I suck at the hurdles.
You're the one on the bottom.
I'm the one on the bottom. Shut up. 3.
5.
Oh.
Do you lose points if you knock them down? Or does it just slow you down?
That just slows you down. Oh no!
Neither of you fucking qualified.
Oh no, we really didn't. Oh, right. Jesus Christ, that was so intense. Right. Oh. Okay, do you want to have another go and see if we can actually get through it?
One more.
Okay, one more. Come on, you.
I don't want
Come on. Just, just get through like the first one. Just tap them as fast as you can. Okay.
Right. End game. Yeah.
Okay, let's do this again. Come on, 3-player start.
I don't think we're going to bother with names.
No,
I'm going to go
just-
AAA, BBB. Just BBB. Alright.
Wait, where are you going? Are you going for bum? Are you? CCT.
There we go.
Hey,
Right,
bum.
AAA.
It's me.
It's you,
Yeah.
okay?
Alright, what's the waggle stick?
Just waggle sticks back and forwards.
That way.
Yeah, but don't do it yet.
Okay.
Wait till it's like pistol's gone. Waggle stick! That's good waggle stick action!
Oh,
no! Oh no!
Why are you going to do this?
I'm sorry.
Okay, go, waggle stick! You're winning! You're winning, yes! You're both qualified though, it's the most important thing.
Yeah.
Well
Oh
done.
my god.
Right. Ah, my neck. Should not be doing this much exercise in this such a hot day.
Ay.
Come on. Yes!
Did you win?
Woo! Of course I won. Look,
Maybe
9.5.
it's like half cut off.
Yeah. computer programming to the max there. Still won. Oh,
Did you win?
no, of course I won.
Okay, what's
Yeah,
this?
you get to long
Oh,
jump
I
now.
don't know what to do on this one. Is it the same waggle and
It's waggle and then A, but waggle and A is going to be hard.
Mm.
And you got to hold it down like Pete just did to get the 40.
And then let it go.
That's a good jump, Pete. Nice one.
At least I made it the first go.
Little scooty man with big beady eyes. His eyes must be like the size of like grapefruits in his head.
Is
Bum.
this me? Is this me?
Yeah.
Bum.
Oh. Okay, waggle
Okay.
stick. And I'm gonna. Oh, shit. Oh.
Whee! Boof.
I think that is probably flying.
Probably so I think
I think you overstepped the board a little bit.
It's waggle and.
Waggle and ace is like really difficult.
Mm.
Oh, that's a really early jump.
But you might make 6, and
Oh,
you did.
how did I make that?
Do I get a second try?
Yeah, you get 3.
You get 3 attempts to do it. You'll need them.
Probably. Alright.
6, 6, 6. Nice.
Oh, it's me.
Can't Pete. Come on. Oh, that's good. That is a good jump.
No, it's not.
Oh, got him over 7 meters.
Not over 7, nearly 7.
Okay, nearly 7 meters. God. Look, if you can actually jump at the right time and like qualify, then I'll give you a huge high five in the face.
Oh, fuck, I knocked the A button.
You got one more attempt.
I'm too clumsy for this game.
So this is when Matt has to just play all our characters.
Yeah.
Woo!
Nice.
I'm
Look
so
at that.
sweaty. I can't even have the control of.
Oh,
the-
is that?
Nope.
Oh,
Nice.
nearly 9 meters.
It looks over 9.
It does look over 9. Mr. Beady Eyes. I think he needs to sort his get Specsavers. Check that out.
Well, you qualify 6.
I can't believe I'm actually genuinely quite hot from playing this.
I'm going to use your table sign.
My table thigh. Sturdy table thighs.
How the hell? I don't. Oh, it's the speed as well.
Yeah, it's speed and.
Oh.
Go, look, fingers, no,
Wait, stop.
Hey!
No,
Oh.
too late.
And you're right up in the air as well.
That was beautiful.
Well, at least you made it past the first
Well
round.
done. Next time you might get into the second one.
They're too
I
bum.
think it's the 3rd time I play each one. I'm fine.
You did it. Oh, it's me again. See if I can improve on my score. No, I overstepped it.
1 point.
What a cunt!
What's that?
It's scratching the second one. Why did I fail? Why did I fail?
Is it Mario now? It actually does look a bit like Mario.
Yeah.
Oh, right, javelin. Javelin!
Right.
That's you, Pete. You up for the javelin?
Javelin.
Go on, Pete. You can do it. Don't chuck it really high. Oh, that's good. That's good.
It got to make it.
Come on, make it, make it, make it.
No,
Beans.
I need to go faster.
It's
Speed,
faster.
I
It's
can't
just
get.
speed. You need to tap it harder and faster. Oh, silence.
Oh yeah, that made it, didn't it? So I need to go at least.
Just huge. I'm good at fast motion with my hand.
Oh
Come on, Pete. Oh, that is a good
no,
like.
it's because it's less than what I.
Yeah, it was a good stop on the line though. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, I
think
made
you've
it.
done it. Yeah. Nice one.
I find button mashing really hard.
Button mashing is hard. Matt seems to got it down to a T.
Yeah.
Years of practice. Whee!
Right.
I had to throw that way in
Did
the
you
sky.
did you ever do javelin? So.
Yeah, I was.
You
used
threw
to
it
say
so high up, it come to
Yeah.
the bottom of the screen. Did you just?
Did
miss
it come
that?
to the bottom of the screen?
It just poked itself up on the top. Of
Excellent.
Shot put was the best.
Shot put was the best. I was quite a
Not
fat
great.
kid, so I don't think I was really particularly good at sport.
Except shot put. Shot put's great for fat kids.
Just lose the ball in their neck fat.
Really bad
Trying to
at.
thread her own head.
Were you good
Come
at
on.
sport, Pete?
Was I good at sport? No, I was good at hockey, as in goal. That's
What, you
about
just
it.
lie down and...
Good at God attack.
No,
Goal attack! There we go.
That's
Oh,
pretty much
did
my sport. Yeah, I qualified. I'm fine.
Yay! We can both be in the next round.
Yay!
Oh my god.
Why are you cheerleader?
I need to get some pom-poms.
Right.
Oh, here we go, Pete. Here we go.
Oh, I'm
Oh,
against
no.
the computer.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh, Pete.
Sorry.
On your mark.
14.5 seconds.
14.5 seconds to do it. And then we might be able to continue
Not gonna
to the
do
next
it.
round. You get 3 no starts on this one.
Jump. Jump. Jump.
Come on, Pete.
Jump.
Once you lost that rhythm, it's so hard. Oh, come on, Pete. Come on. Yes.
No.
Oh, you didn't make it. No.
Fuck.
Oh,
Does that mean do we not get? No, I'm
Oh,
over.
it's yours is out. Oh,
On
it's
your
up to
mark.
me.
I really hope you fuck up.
I'm gonna fuck
Oh,
up.
when you fuck up so
I think
bad.
you're French.
You reckon?
Yeah, because there's an American flag and the French there. And the American guy looks like he's wearing white and red and blue, and you're just wearing blue, white, and red.
You look a bit French as well.
He does, doesn't he?
Everyone looks the same.
Yeah, but you've got that like.
Matt
Olive
qualified.
I qualified. Yes.
And you got another achievement.
Another achievement. I am just achievement whore today.
I'm really gonna buy this game.
You're gonna
It's
get
good for
really good at
achievement.
this, aren't you? Oh, here we go.
Oh.
Here we go. Hammer throw. I don't even know how to do this.
I think when it's red when you got to it.
Oh.
Has anyone ever killed anyone in this sport? Like letting it go into.
Oh, there's been a time.
There's been a fatality.
Is it?
Fatality.
No.
What on earth?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I really have no idea.
Let it go before it gets that quick.
I think you're supposed to let it go when it flashes red, aren't you? So like there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But don't get too high. Do it like now.
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 There you
Oh. No, it's terrible. Well, at least I threw it. But that's game over.
go. Game over!
Well, that was some good fun. I am actually hot and sweaty from just doing that in this hot room.
I know, I need like air conditioning in here or something.
Oh man, honestly. That is...
I don't think I need deodorant in here. I think deodorant's the last thing I need.
Yeah, this is...
Well,
I need like a fan in that corner or something, just blowing air.
I do
I'm on
smell
the
great.
board.
You're on the board.
We're all on the
Yay!
board. Bums on the board. Fees on the board. Triple C's on the board.
So
A&L
the top
top.
3 are just me then, aren't they, basically?
Yeah, and then-
me kicking
Then
ass.
I'm 4th and 5th, and Anna's 6th.
Shit. Last. Sorry, 6th.
The worst. Horrible.
For one round, though.
Not bad.
Still
Don't get
Yeah,
me wrong.
You did
We-
good. You did good.
Don't forget, we've also got Mount Your Friends to play.
Yeah,
at
we've got
some
Mount
point.
Your Friends, so we'll
That
have
was
another
fun.
competition for that. I think we should set Anna a forfeit.
Why just me?
Because
you-
you lost.
you did say at the
suck.
beginning.
No, because that's something you got to set before.
I did say we should have a forfeit.
Yeah,
You're the one that. What about the raw egg?
Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. We'll find some sort of horrible forfeit for Anna to do, and we'll laugh at her. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.